everyone. I hope you all are doing well and welcome back to Language with Sarah. I'm your Italian teacher Sarah, and in today's lesson we'll learn about the 10 phrases of Italian. If you want to learn Italian faster, you all need to practice your Italian every day. So I'll post every day a short video so you can practice your Italian with me every day. So let's begin. Iniziamo. Our first phrase is Quanti anni hai? Quanti anni hai? How old are you? Repeat after me if you want. Quanti anni hai? How old are you? Quanti, how? Anni hai? Old are you? How old are you? Next one is O. Add the number an. Anni. O. 20 anni. I'm 20 years old. O. 20 anni. I'm 20 years old. Next one is Che ora è? Che ora è? What time is it? Che ora è? What time is it? Che ora? What time is it? Next one is È luna. It's 1 o'clock. È luna. It's 1 o'clock. If you like the video, then please click the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. I'll post every day a video so you can practice your Italian with me every day. Next one is At mezzogiorno. At mezzogiorno. It's noon. Mezzogiorno. Mezzogiorno. It's noon. E mezzanotte. It's midnight. Mezzogiorno. It's noon. Mezzanotte. It's midnight. È mezzanotte. It's midnight. Next one is Che giorno è oggi? Che giorno è oggi? What day is today? Che, what, giorno, day, è, oggi, today. Che giorno è oggi? What day is today? Repeat after me if you want. È mezzogiorno. Next one is È mezzanotte. And che giorno è oggi? Next phrase is Oggi è lunedì. Oggi è and add the day. Oggi è, for example, lunedì. Today is Monday. Oggi means in English today, and è means is. Oggi è lunedì. Today is Monday. Next one is domani è and add the day. For example, sabato. Domani è sabato. Tomorrow is Saturday. Next one is ieri è stato. Yesterday was. Ieri è stato means in English yesterday was mercoledì. Add the day mercoledì. Ieri è stato mercoledì. Next one is vorrei. Vorrei and add the thing you want. Okay? Vorrei un caffè. I would like a coffee. Vorrei means I would like. Vorrei mean in English I would like. You can remember this phrase today. This one is short one, so you can easily remember this today if you want, okay? Repeat after me if you want. Vorrei and add the item you want. Vorrei un caffè. Next one is buon appetito. Buon appetito. Enjoy your meal. Practice this phrase in your daily routine. Buon appetito. Enjoy your meal. You can also remember this today because this one is too simple to remember. Buon appetito. Enjoy your meal. Buon, enjoy. Appetito, your meal. Next one is buon viaggio. Buon viaggio. Have a good trip. Viaggio, a good trip. Buon, have a good trip. Buon viaggio. Have a good trip. If you like the video, then please click the like button and comment on this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful and short videos like this. If you are a beginner to Italian, then you will love this channel. And my channel name is Language with Sara. Thank you for watching. Ciao, a presto!